Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these metallic copper nails with encapsulated gear pieces. So these are my ice cream nails and they've been on, I think, about 2 weeks or so. So yeah, it is time to do a redesign. So I'm going to be using these heavy duty nippers from GearBest, and I like to use these to take off my crystals. So this is after all of the crystals are removed, and I'm going in with my e-file and this carbide bit that I got from Banggood. And I'm just going to switch out my bit here. I will leave a link down to this e-file if you guys are interested. And I believe this carbide bit is a medium grit. And I'm just going to go over each nail to take off the gel top coat. And I'm also taking off the gel polish. Alright, so this is after all of the gel polish is removed, and now I'm going to use those nippers once again to clip off some nails that I'll be soaking off. And these are the permanent nail designs, so they have to come off. And you just kind of snip the size of it and the whole nail comes off. So now I'm using 100% acetone nail polish remover, and I'm going to put that into my soak off bowl. And I'm just going to soak those 3 fingers off and cover with a towel. So for this look, I'll be using LongHairPrettyNails Clear Acrylic along with this gold and copper glitter mix, and both of these are available on my website. And I'm also using these metal gear pieces that I got from Amazon. Alright, so this is after the nails are removed and I have did my prepping and all of that. Now I'm just going to put on my nail forms, and now I'm applying Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And then No Lift Nails Primer. Alright, so for my pinky fingernail, I'm just going to sculpt an entire nail from the clear acrylic. And the brush I'm using is my number 8 Alpha brush. I will leave a link down below. So I feel like it's been forever since I've recorded, even though it's only been since Monday, but it just feels like it's been forever. The LongHairPrettyNails store has been keeping me extremely busy, and I am just so grateful for that. And FYI, the Pixie Pink and Pixie Peach are back in stock. If you guys are interested, head over to the website and pick those up, because those are like the #1 sellers now. So I'm gonna have to really stock up on those. Alright, so for the ring fingernail, I'm just going to create a base of the clear acrylic. Alright, so now I'm taking a mixture of the gold and copper glitter mixes, and I'm just going to apply those to my nail. I'm kind of in a S shape. And what I did was just pick up a tiny bead of clear and then dipped it into the glitter, and yeah, that's how I picked that up. Alright, so next I'm gonna wet the nail with some monomer, and I'm just placing these copper foils down. I got these foils from Beauty Big Bang, and I will leave the link down below. So next I'm applying a medium-sized bead of clear, and then I'm going to press this larger gear piece into the clear. And I'm just going to do the same thing and pick up various pieces of the gear mix. I think these pieces are so cool. I think they give a really good effect to the nail. You just gotta make sure that you're picking pieces that you can fully encapsulate because some of these are pretty big. So once I have those gear pieces in place, I am just going to encapsulate this nail. And I'm just taking my time using wetter beads just to make sure that all the clear gets in between all the crevices and all of that. For the middle fingernail, I'm just doing a fill in, so I'm just taking a medium-sized bead of clear and placing that in the cuticle area and just working it downward. Alright, and for my index fingernail, I'm just going to sculpt this entire nail using the clear acrylic. And for the thumbnail, I'm just doing a fill in as well. Alright, so this is after the acrylic has dried and I've taken off the nail forms. And now I'm doing my shaping and filing with my hand file. And this is a 100/180 grit hand file. So this is after all of the hand filing is done, and I'm just going in with my medium grit safety bit and working that around the cuticle area, just to seal that in and prevent lifting and all of that good stuff. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with these Madam Glam gel polishes. And the first one I'm going with is the Madam Glam metallic gel polish, and this is called Playdate. And I am going to apply this to my pinky fingernail, my index fingernail, and my thumbnail. Now the metallic polishes are a bit different. You have to let these air dry completely before you move on to the next step. And as you will see as the video goes on that I am doing this totally incorrectly. You have to first put down a no wipe gel top coat, but I forgot that step, and that is why it's looking all patchy and just not even. But I just continued on with the nail design, and I'm using this Madam Glam glitter gel polish, and it's called Emotion. And it is a beautiful coppery bronzy glitter polish. It is so gorgeous. And this is a regular gel polish, so I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. So now I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat and apply this to all of the nails. And I just love the gear nail. It looks so cool, especially when that gel top coat hits it. And I clean up any mistakes that I see around the cuticle areas or anything like that before I cure. So after realizing my mistake, once I added on that gel top coat, it made the metallic gel polish turn like a very dark orange color, and that's not what I was going for. So I went ahead and filed it off, and now I'm going to do this step correctly. So I'm applying a no wipe gel top coat, and I went ahead and cured that. And I just love how crystal clear these nails are. Like, I could have totally worn them like this. Like, I love clear nails. But I'm just going to apply this metallic polish again, and instantly I see a big difference. It's going on much smoother and it's nice and even, and it just looks a whole lot better. It looks like it's supposed to look. So definitely do not skip the step of putting on your no wipe gel top coat first. Alright, so this is after the polish has completely dried. As you can see, it is a nice satin finish. So I went ahead and applied more of the no wipe gel top coat and cured. So now I'm going in with some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I am so in love with this gear nail. It is so cool. it just looks like, I don't know, like one of those watches that have like the moving pieces in it. That's kind of what it reminds me of. And I just love these Madam Glam gel polishes. Like, they have some amazing colors, and this metallic gel polish is the bomb. It looks like it could be a chrome powder. It's just so smooth and super shiny. And I am also loving that beautiful glitter gel polish as well. And I just think this look came together very well. I know this length may not be for everyone, but I love super long nails, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.